Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. And coming with the Sport Appearance package, giving you some unique accents and rims, as well as the FX4 off-road package, giving you off-road suspension and skid plates. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, where you have comfortable seating for three with a full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle here, with a 12 volts USB and USB-C and 120 volt power outlet. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside and warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, pedals, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, phone and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And above that, you have your camera view again, as well as your hazards, hill descent assist, and traction control shut off. You also have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. And moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, as well as heated and air conditioned front seats. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto, locking rear differential, and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and rock crawl mode, which is part of the FX4 package. Then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12 volt and 120 volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this compartment with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more open space here. Then you have two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.